up and down, up and down.
I get that AQUA.
And the other one is just going around and around.
Could they have it? Hi, look at the fun toys with the boys. Look at the fun toys with the boys. Today we're opening AQUA.
AQUA. It's from Hexbug. Hexbug. And let's see what's inside first, Jaden. Okay.
A hammerfish.
It's a hammerfish? Okay. And what's the other one?
And the zooming fish.
It's a zooming fish. It says Wahoo.
And I don't know what this thing's name too.
Yeah, it says a smart fish. AQUA Wahoo.
Mommy.
And the fish is right there.
Mommy.
So this is AQUA Smart Fish Technology. Where's Jaden? Whoa!
I'm camouflage.
You're camouflage? Oh boy. Let's see where Jaden is. He is camouflage. Okay.
I'm under the table.
You were under the table. So this is Wahoo. And what's great with this is that it came with its own fishbowl.
Yeah, and it comes with decorations. And we have to find the glowing angelfish.
Glowing angelfish. Okay. You ready to unbox it? You strong enough?
Yes.
Yes. I don't think so. You need mommy's help? You need mommy's help? I think you start.
Mommy, come with this.
Yes. Let's see what's inside. Take it out. Oh, those are the decorations. Pull out the box. Yeah.
I get my tongue.
Let's see the fish. Let's show them the fish. And then it glows. Let me see. Jaden, help Marky out. Marky, say AQUA.
Pay attention, Marky. Don't get too excited, Marky.
Oh no! Look, Marky's on the floor. Oh, there's instruction papers. Okay, pull it out, Jaden.
It's his own fish tank.
Yes, that's his own fish tank. Awesome.
Here's him. Here's the AQUA.
Whoa, this is the fish tank.
And it's tiny.
It's tiny. Be careful, Jaden. Okay. Okay, Jaden, put your decoration inside. Job. And then put your fish inside. Wow. See.
Just baked it.
Oh.
No, Marky. Can I put Marky's?
Okay, put Marky's inside. Let's see what it does. Does it go down? Did it go down? There it goes. Pretty cool. It doesn't go down. It's supposed to be the other one, Jaden. Look. You wait, maybe it's still not activated. Turn off the light, Jaden. Let's see if it glows. Oh, one of them glows, right? Look, the pink one. Nice. like it, Mark? Wow! The blue one glows. Right there.
Is it glowing?
Yeah.
Is my fish glowing?
Yes, your fish is glowing. Nice. Look, Jaden, it's awesome. It goes up and down, up and down.
I get that AQUA.
And the other one is just going around and around.
My big claw.
Your big claw. This is pretty cool. It's going up and down, Jaden. Oh, it's gonna get your arm, your finger. Whoa! Whoa! Put it down, Jaden. Let's see what's gonna happen. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, Jaden, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You want more footage with the boys. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.